Hey guys, this video's been a long time coming. We've just never found a good opportunity to do it, but we want to make some Gatorade or Powerade. So, if we look, Gatorade.
Yeah, that's it. The goodest name I ever heard in the world.
Okay, so if we look at the label, it has about 55 grams of sugar, 440 milligrams of sodium, and 120 of potassium. We have this light salt. Actually, we used this for something else today. It has both salt and potassium. For every 1.4 grams, we have 350 milligrams of potassium, 290 of sodium. So we're just going to use 1.4 grams of this and call it good. Okay, this scale is not sensitive enough. We'll try our best here. Okay, we'll stick to 2 grams. Okay, 55 grams of sugar. Wow, that's how much sugar is in this bottle? Holy cow.
It's like ice water one.
Ready to try it?
It's not properly made like this. I don't see the color.
Yeah, it doesn't have the color. But let's see if it has the taste. We still need to add lemons, but let's taste it like this. Oh.
That doesn't taste good.
Doesn't taste good? Tastes sweet.
Yeah, it just tastes like sweetness.
It almost tastes like coconut water.
What are these bubbles at the top?
Oh, just like that.
Oh,
Okay.
this stuff. Tastes like coconut water.
Okay, we'll add the last lemon. And we're gonna try it.
It just tastes like water.
What?
Let me try it again.
It tastes like Powerade.
It just tastes like water pellet.
Okay, let's try this. See if it tastes the same.
That tastes the same? I think that doesn't taste like that. Here, let me taste this one again.
This one again? Okay.
Yeah. Actually, this tastes the same, but the color don't match like this. How does it not match like this?
Well, they put color in here. They put yellow number 5.
Don't put yellow number 5.
Well, we don't have any.
Well,
It tastes pretty close. I think if we added some lime, it might taste pretty close.
no, it's going to taste the same.
That's pretty good.
Which one do you like the most? This one or this one?
I like this one because we made it. And this one tastes good too.
I like this one.
You like that one better?
And the blue. This one.
This one?
And I like the sour of this one.
Yeah, this is more sweet. It doesn't taste sour. I kind of like the sour. This tastes more like lemonade. Well, can you tell everyone bye?
Bye, everyone.
Thanks for watching.
I hope you can make these on since you watched one of our new videos of Power. Comment below which one tastes better, this one or that one. Bye.
And we're back at home, and we made some Gatorade.
Gatorade orange.
Yeah, so we put an orange in here, and then we also added...
No, it's from the store.
Okay. And then we also added like a 1/4 teaspoon of citric acid too.
Yeah, and we bought a new one.
Just because we didn't think there was enough in the orange. So it actually tastes like an orange flavored Gatorade, which is pretty impressive. That tastes like orange Gatorade.
If you want to see more, I was going to say one more thing.
Okay.
So if you want to see all the videos, then click on the Hopfish Chef button. We'll make new cooking things for each single morning. Bye.
No. We don't cook every single morning. You're crazy. Even if we did, that'd be too many videos.
No,
I couldn't keep up with that all.
no, let's keep up.
Okay. How about you do all the videos?
What am I gonna do all the videos?